we are on week 4, day 1 of math, and we're going to be working on these 2 sheets that you will find in your packet. Okay, we're going to start with this one first. Okay, it says, converting metric measurements, volume, capacity, and weight mass. Directions. Complete the conversion tables. Then write a rule for each conversion table using an equation and the following sentence frame. To convert blank to blank, multiply or divide by blank. Okay. So, I'm gonna switch this up here. Get mine ready for you. All right, let's look at the first one. We go from 1 to 1,000, 3 to 3,000. What do you think you're multiplying by to get from 1 to 1,000? 1,000. Whatever you multiply by 1 will be that number. So if you multiply 1 by 1,000, it equals 1,000. So therefore, our equation is, let me get this ready for you to copy down. $1,000 times 1,000, or you're going to divide by 1,000. So the rule is to convert liters to milliliters, multiply or divide by 1,000. Go ahead and fill that in. If you need to hit pause to do so, that's fine, and then restart when you've got it copied. Now, to get from 5 times 1,000, what would that be? Let's try that. We've got 1,000 times 5. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. And then 1 times 5 is 5. 1, 2, 3, comma, 5,000. So our answer in our chart would be 5,000. Right here. Now, if this was 10,000, let's look at the pattern. If this number is 1, to get from 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter, 3,000 to 3, 5,000 to 5, what do you think 10,000 will be? You take away the 3 zeros? Yes, 10. Good job. 15,000 would be, that's right, 15. Good job. Now let's look at the next one. It's the same thing. Look, we're just going from grams to milligrams. Okay, different measurement, but the same pattern. 1 to 1,000, 5 to 5,000, we're multiplying by 1,000 or dividing by 1,000. So, to convert grams to milligrams, we're going to multiply or divide by 1,000. It's the same thing, just different titles. Okay? And this is where we're talking about weight. Okay? Now, 8 would be what? 8 times 1,000, looking at the pattern, yes, 8,000. Okay, and let's go backwards. If we have 12,000, what's our grams going to be? 12, correct. And what is our grams going to be for 24,000 milligrams? 24, yes. Okay, here's our last one. We're going from kilograms to grams. Look familiar? We have 1 kilogram going to 1,000 grams. 2 kilograms going to 2,000 grams, excuse me. What's 6 going to go to? 6,000 grams. Good. Now let's go backwards. What's 15,000 grams going to change into for kilograms? That is correct, 15. And 30,000 is going to change to 30. Good. Now I'm going to let you fill in the rule yourself for this one, so you might need to pause the video. It's going to be the same rule as above, but just different words. To convert, you're going to say kilograms to grams, multiply or divide by 1,000. Okay? It's the same process. Okay, nice job with that. The next worksheet, we're going to be converting a lot of different measurements. So stick with me on this one. Okay, get ready. For 32 ounces, we need to know how many cups. Well, there are 8 cups, or I'm sorry, 8 ounces that make up a cup. So what we need to do is we need to take 32 and divide it by 8 to find out how many cups that is. So we can do our 8 song. 8, 16, 24, 32. How many did you get? 4. That's right. So there's going to be 4 cups. Okay. The next one, we have 6 kilometers. How many meters? Okay. Well, this one is a lot like our chart that we just did. To get from kilometers to meters, it's multiplying by 1,000. So, if you have 6 kilometers and you multiply it by 1,000, 0 times 6 is 0. Here we go again. 0 times 6. 0 times 6 is 0. 1 times 6 is 6. That makes 6,000.
6,000.
The next we're going to do is we're going to go from tons to pounds. We have 4 tons. We need to know how many pounds that is. Well, there's 2,000 pounds in a ton. So the problem we're going to set up is 2,000 times 4. Okay, and you guys can pause this at any time to get this written down. 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 4, 0. 2 times 4. Well, we have to count by 2 4 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. We got 8. Put your comma in. That made 8,000. Now, the next one, 8 liters to how many milliliters? Okay, that was like our chart. We're going from 8 times 1,000. I bet you can do this mentally. What would be 8 times 1,000? What's 1 times 8? 8. Add your 1,000. 8,000. Okay, next we're going to go from 32 feet to how many yards? Well, to do that, we're going to have to divide by 3. So we're going to take 36 divide by 3. Okay? Cover this one up. 3 goes into 3 how many times? 3. Just once. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down your 6. Okay. Let's count by 3s till we get to 6. 3, 6, 2 times. And that equaled 6. Okay, that's 0, no remainder. So your answer is 12. Okay, nice job. All right, to go from grams to from kilograms to grams, that's just like our chart. Kilograms to grams, it's in the bottom section. Okay, so to get from 5 kilograms times 1,000 would be 5,000. Good. And we're going to do just one more because I'm running out of time and YouTube won't upload the longer session. I already tried it and I have to redo it.
Yeah.
So, quarts to gallons, we have to divide by 4. Okay? So, 32 divided by 4. Now that one's easy because, okay, let's look up here. We're just counting by 4s to 32. Get your hands ready. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. And it is 8. Good job. All right, try the last 3 on your own. Okay. These will just be the thousands ones that we talked about. Now the 7 one, to get from pounds to ounces, you're going to have to actually multiply by 16. So it'll be 16 times 7 to work out number 9. All right, I'll see you for the next lesson, day 2.